Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Zcyge 3000A battery jump starter portable, car jump starter with air compressor. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. As a car owner, there's nothing more frustrating than being stranded on the side of the road with a dead battery. Now the battery jumper with air compressor, a versatile and essential tool for any vehicle emergency. This innovative device not only jump-starts your battery but also has a built-in air compressor to inflate tires or other inflatables. This all-in-one tool becoming a must-have accessory for road trips, emergencies, or everyday use. The K18 jump starter compact and portable design makes it easy to store in the trunk of a car. Featuring a robust 3000 amp peak and 26,800 mAh capacity, the K18 Pro jump starter is a reliable companion for car emergencies. Its water-resistant design ensures durability in various weather conditions. The built-in smart protection technology safeguards against overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits, providing peace of mind during usage. In addition to jump-starting capabilities, with 3 different nozzles, you can inflate car, bike, or even sports equipment. With dual USB outputs, it can also charge your mobile devices on the go. The bright LED flashlight with 3 modes is a handy addition for nighttime emergencies. It's powerful, safe, even at -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, it works like a charm. Plus, it can support more than 1000 plus recharge cycles, so you know it'll last me a long time. The auto stop feature prevents overinflation and the nozzle ensures a secure connection. This portable jump starter has clamps that have an alloy core and dual molded design. These clamps deliver optimum power transfer and durability. And let's not forget about the smart jumper cables that provide safety precautions like auto-detecting connections and alerting for any errors. Instead of relying on the assistance of strangers or waiting for a tow truck. Owning a battery jump starter with an air compressor empowers individuals to take control of their own vehicle-related problems. Whether it's a low battery or a tire that needs inflation, K18 Pro offer a quick and hassle-free solution. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.